Captain Key know how to go down there and put him on the fish, don't he?
Yeah, sir, man. I appreciate it, Key. I appreciate it, Key.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Barely caught it.
That's what I do.
Barely caught it, man. What you
Barely
mean?
caught it.
Hey, Tyler on the board, y'all. Look at him.
Yeah.
Slam. Hey, good morning. Thank you for joining me today. Hey, you remember when you was little in church and you had some crust on your face and your grandmama or your big mama would lick her thumb and wipe it off your eye? Hold still. I know y'all remember that. Hey, all fun to the side, man. Let's get straight to it. Hey, thank y'all for joining us. Hey, today we got Tyler and we got old Hookset. Today Hookset boat decided they didn't want to act right. So we all got in a Lamborghini Lund and flat put a whooping on these crappie, y'all. We found them in the creek channel and we just kept staying in that creek channel. We just flat out and wore these crappie out, y'all. And of course I was using that TTD, that 9.6, y'all. 13.6 will be out in one more week, y'all, by the time y'all see this video. So hey, y'all hang in there. Hit the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. I would like to have you along with us on this journey. And hey, y'all enjoy the show. Let's get those likes up, man. Hit the like button.
Be the biggest.
Deep.
Screwed me over. You screwed me over, little old black. Trip to the clerk's office to pay a ticket. I feel like we on something. Yeah.
There he is.
Missed that sucker.
Oh, that's a peep. Yes, sir.
I kept feeling my line. Hang on, which one of us caught that?
Oh, man.
Well, y'all tangle?
Yeah.
Man, he know who caught that. He know who caught that, Key. The minnow right here. The minnow right here.
My minnow or yours?
Yours. Man, come on, man. You know what I'm talking about. Look where I hit him at. I hit him below the mouth.
On the outside?
Yeah.
Oh, he was trying to hit and run, dude.
First time I ever caught him.
Show him to the camera, see?
Oh, yeah.
Is my hook free?
In the back. On the green bowl.
Oh.
My bad, Blaylock.
You ain't that tangle, though.
No. I just gotta get mine.
Oh, okay.
Them slabs, baby.
Look at this spot.
That is a big crappie in there.
Oh, here we go.
No, that is a big crappie in there.
Oh, you talking about his? Yeah, well,
Oh.
it's all right.
Oh, man. We know you
It's a big fish,
You
bro.
tell me it's all right.
It's a big fish. There you go, bro.
All right.
It's a big fish, man. T,
Downplay
you sure that wasn't mine?
What, bro?
I'm glad we got the camera, man. Roll the camera.
Hey, roll that camera, bro.
Roll the camera.
Oh, he'll fish too. He'll fish.
Man, I just needed it because I thought I sat on it too. Can we just say it's both hours?
I get the head, you get the
Yeah. Can we say it's both hours?
Hey, dog, you need to get in the chair, dog.
I'm coming, bro. I was tangled up, man. I was a little tangled.
Hey, why every time wherever I get
He gonna try to
go
beat you.
straight there?
I was just a little tangled, guys.
Just like my Uncle Black.
Yeah.
When Tim catch Black Cloud right over there on
That's a crappie right there, dog.
big
Copy that. Hold my shades real fast and watch your pole because I gotta get towards the water. Hey, you better not turn that on. You better not turn that goddamn thing on. Oh. And that sucker was all the way up too.
Yeah.
You good?
No, not yet. Let me see. Hold on. I'm finna move. Hold on. Go down a little bit more.
It ain't even level no more. Crap. So like right now it's level and it ain't showing good?
No, hold on. Okay, there it is.
Let me know if you need me to push it down some more.
No, I think that's good too.
You sure?
Yeah, that's good. Oh, it's a crappie, boy. There you go, King. Shoot. Hey, you see, I'm gonna take a break for a minute.
Oh, you don't take one with you too. You don't take one with you too.
Y'all, hey, y'all check out Key.
And check out T. Hey, mine barely 10.
Was that a double though, y'all?
It was.
That was a double.
But he barely 10. I might better measure him.
You better.
Yeah, where your cup at?
Right there by your right hand. Mine legal. You ain't got to measure
Yeah,
these.
you ain't gotta measure yours. I'm gonna measure this. What it oh yeah, it's 10. It's 11, bro. 11. Well, no, about 10 and a half.
That's 2 clickets.
2 doors.
Cool.
Did you add them 2 that I brought from the boat?
Oh, I sure didn't. Hold on. All right.
See if we can't get T-Naz on the boat. Oh, my bad.
Put some respect on his name.
Yeah, hey, you too. My bad. We're gonna see if we can get Tyler on the board.
I told you, a crappie, bro. I said, I'm putting up 15 out here.
Yeah.
Hey, while we on a brief intermission, if y'all looking for a boat, y'all go down to Fish and Ski Marine in Sanger, Texas. Ask for Chris Hicks. Get him a chance to earn your business, all right? Tell him old Key sent you, all right? Let's go. Oh my God! Oh my God! Come here, boy!
Nice.
God so mighty! Let's go, Key!
Right across the bike.
Oh yeah, that's a big old white, y'all. Why you gotta do them like that, Key? They're at the bottom, y'all. Woo! Yes, sir. Check me out, y'all. Hey, we've been catching these all day. Well, me and Tyler have anyway.
Oh,
Hey, let's go, baby.
oh my goodness. Oh.
Wide across the back. Hanging out the cup, y'all. Let's go, baby. That's what we come out here for, y'all. Putting that old TTD to work. I'm using a 9.6. 13.6 will be out in November, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. 13.6 will be out. This is the 9.6 I'm using right here. Plenty of backbone, y'all, and sensitivity. Let's go. Hey, thank y'all for tuning in today. We're gonna go ahead and get out of here. Hey, oh, hook set. Oh, Tyler.
What's going on, man?
Show them what we got, Tyler. What we ended up with.
We doing pretty good over here, man.
Yeah, we got a mess up, y'all.
Oh yeah.
Live well got stretch marks. But hey, remember, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification, tell somebody about this channel, all right? We'll catch y'all next time.
Hey, and tell them about the star of the show.
Hey, hold on, y'all.
The star of the show. Hook set.
He's back, y'all.
He back. He back. He was on hiatus.
Hey, y'all created this monster. Y'all did that.
For the people.
By the people. Hey, we'll catch y'all later.
Yes, sir.